That deadly inferno in Hong Kong, several apartment buildings up in flames, dozens of people killed,
Now to
hundreds
that
missing.
deadly four-alarm fire, claiming at least 12 lives here in New York.
In the time it takes me to introduce myself, another fire has likely started somewhere in the world, and another person hospitalized due to smoke inhalation. Between 2020 and 2025, fires and smoke inhalation worldwide have resulted in $300 billion in damages, but also something priceless, over 600,000 lives lost. So what would you do if a fire started right now? Would you have any device within reach that would let you breathe safely long enough for escape? That is why today I introduce you to OXYTHERA, a revolutionary personal auction device that provides 5 minutes of life right inside your palm. Currently, majority of the global auction device market consists of manufacturers that tailor towards professionals such as firefighters or industry experts, meaning that they all lean towards maximizing auction capacity and reliability, while other more commercializable factors such as price, weight, size, complexity of use, and versatility often go unnoticed and untouched. Therefore, in order to invalidate competition, OXYTHERA's product creates a blue ocean by first eliminating the need for heavy compressed tanks, maintenance, and specialized training often found in traditional professional grade devices. Second, by reducing the weight of the device by 98.7% and by reducing the price by 99%. Third, by raising accessibility and portability, as well as the deployment speed by 91%. And finally, through creating product versatility, allowing for not only an emergency auction escape device, but also newfound applicability for recreational use, such as for personal focus, concentration, sports, and more, due to its unique chemical auction generation characteristics. Market analysis is also promising for OXYTHERA, as a combined market for global escape breathing and oxygen therapy masks is expected to grow from $2.77 billion to $5 billion by 2033, with a predicted CAGR of at minimum 7.7%. In terms of customers, OXYTHERA aims to capture all three tiers of non-customers by overcoming first, skepticism through already ongoing rigorous scientific research, as well as addressing those who have never considered the use of personal auction devices through OXYTHERA's low price, ease of use, and portability. Based on a mix of chemical and material science as well as product design, OXYTHERA plans to address 4 different realms of the recreational and emergency auction device market, validating its versatility in commercial applications. For example, OXYTHERA SOS will be the designated handheld auction device for emergency use such as in fires or entrapment accidents. OXYTHERA Edu, Relax, and X are on the other hand recreational variations that will aim to solve more commercial problems such as indoor air purification through chemical reactions, focus and concentration enhancement through boosts of auction, and more. So far, OXYTHERA has completed research and development, allowing our device to achieve life-sustaining auction concentration for 5 minutes with just 5 grams of the chemicals, potassium superoxide and calcium hydroxide. Furthermore, this project has also won the highest award at Korea's National Science and Engineering Fair and has been named as the 2026 Regeneron International Science and Engineering Fair ISEF finalist project, validating its scientific weight and credibility globally. In addition, a patent for the research's finding have also been filed. Currently, OXYTHERA is working towards partnerships that will enable original equipment manufacture (OEM) agreements with regional industry experts such as Pinostory and Storyworld to begin the first steps of product commercialization. In terms of capital requirements and funding, as of February 2026, the feasibility phase and development phase have been completed, comprising of initial research, validation, prototyping, application for a utility patent, as well as quality testing and creation of design variations. By the second half of 2026, OXYTHERA aims to begin its first pilot phase in collaboration with industry specialists to produce an initial 1,000 units and generate proof of demand for production, and inquire into VOC, voice of customer, as well to further improve upon the product. Finally, by the second quarter of 2027, OXYTHERA is planning a full launch and, when accepted, will produce at least 10,000 units following exclusive licensing with partners and affiliates. Finally, OXYTHERA will scale with a direct marketing and affiliate-led go-to-market across business to government, business to business, and business to customers aligned to each product line. For example, SOS Response for public safety deployment, OXYTHERA Relax for workplaces and facilities, and OXYTHERA Edu and X for everyday consumer use. For B2G, Pinostory will help build government relationships and secure placements in public facilities such as at schools and community centers. For B2B, STI will lead regional execution, and for B2C, OXYTHERA will expand its reach through major platforms and affiliates such as Coupang, Storyworld, Amazon, and White House Group to drive scalable distribution and consumer demand. OXYTHERA, a revolutionary personal auction device. 5 minutes of life right inside your palm.